Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Nile. Welcome back. I have Melissa as my guest today. Welcome back, Melissa.
Welcome. Thank you for having me.
You are looking beautiful and you're glowing.
Thank you. Well, you're the artist.
Thank you. Thank you. I will take some credit.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so I would like to ask you, a few questions about your story or your journey and your experience with the treatments you have received here at Fountain of Youth. Because coming into my medical spa for specific treatments or aesthetic procedures, what were your main concerns about your face or neck or wrinkles or whatever?
Well, when I started coming to see you, it was probably close. Now we're going on 5 years.
Yes.
So during that time, the issues that were really bothering me were the crow's feet. And, from the years in your 20s, laying out in the sun with baby oil and not doing the SPF. So you end up getting the crow's feet. And that was a big issue for me.
Yes.
And I was starting to get the 11s and wanted to take care of those. And what I didn't realize until I came to see you was that you can use the injectables for not just for the face.
That's right. And not just for the upper face,
Yes.
all over the face as well as the neck.
Because we had talked in the past and I was thinking eventually I was going to have to go have a facelift. You said, you don't have to do that. We started with minimally invasive procedures.
I opened up many options for Melissa. I share with her that in my practice, I'm an advanced injector and I can use either Botox or any other neuromodulator to treat the whole face, basically contouring, reshaping, lifting the whole face as well as the neck.
I just want to look the best in my 50s that I can look. And it's a very natural, which I liked. And I don't have to resort to going and having a facelift or more invasive procedures.
Not yet. When
not yet.
we have options.
Exactly.
And talking about options, many of you may not have heard of Daxxify. Daxxify is the first neuromodulator that is made in the USA 100%. And compared to other brands, Daxxify is made specifically bonded to amino acids or peptides. Amino acids are the basic structure of protein. And then the small fragments of protein is called peptide. It results in beautiful glowing skin when we inject in the patient's skin. And with Melissa, her skin just responds so beautifully to Daxxify. And that's been going on 3 years now. That's been 3 years.
I've had very good luck with Daxxify, and what's amazing about Daxxify is it lasts.
It does last with correct reconstitution and proper unit used. And for you,
Yes.
what was the duration?
I would say probably about 5.5 months. I would start to really notice now I'm getting due. But my face still looked great, resting, but just for me knowing myself.
You start having movement, but you still look smooth and glowing.
Yes.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. What's great about Daxxify is it gives you a glow. I really don't use a lot of luminizer like on my face anymore because of the Daxxify. I love how my skin feels so smooth. It's just, I love the product. And what's so nice is I only have to come in twice a year.
Oh, yes, that's
for,
true too.
for that,
Yes.
for injectables. So if you tell her exactly what your issues are and the goals that you would like to achieve, she will tell you exactly what you need. That I really appreciate.
And a lot of times patients did not realize that they are undertreated, whether it's their budget or they worry about looking frozen. But, to have longevity You just have to follow the guideline, and the guideline usually we physicians or providers know best, and so take our advice, to heart. Look beautiful, gorgeous.
Thank you.
Yeah. Even when you're smiling, it's just a natural, natural look.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it
It
is.
didn't give you a frozen look at all.
No, not at
When you
all.
look at yourself in the mirror, do you pay attention to the jawline, which a lot of times as we age, us women are very conscientious about the
Yes,
sagging jawline? Have
yes.
you noticed an improvement?
I've definitely noticed an improvement. And another place that I notice an improvement, especially, is through here.
Yeah, I can see that too.
Definitely, it's definitely smoother, tighter, but it's natural. It looks very natural,
Yes,
which I
see
like.
that. I see that too. Melissa, it has been about 2 to 3 weeks now since you had the last treatment with Daxxify. How many days did it take for you to actually start seeing a lift, or how did that compare to the past treatment?
I would say Daxxify is a little different. You start seeing results in about 2 to 3 days, and where I always notice it is my forehead.
Wonderful.
I'll notice it when, trying the lift, and I'll notice that it's tighter, and that's the first place I notice. I notice it looking very smooth. And then it starts here, and then it slowly moves down. And then I start noticing after maybe 5 to 7 days that I noticed this was starting to tighten back up.
Lift and tight. Yeah.
Tighten. And then in pictures, I would see this was smoothing down. And there was a definite difference then from older photos.
Compared to the other brands, they're not inferior, but for your body, for your skin, you definitely are sold and fell in love with Daxxify product. Am I right?
Absolutely. For me, it was how your face glows afterwards. And my face really does glow.
Yeah.
I can walk out, throw some moisturizer or SPF, go out on the weekend with no makeup on. And I could never say that before.
Isn't that wonderful
Yes.
feeling?
Yeah.
And you don't have to hide your skin so much under makeup layers.
Yep. Yeah, that is nice. That is nice. I didn't want to look what as she had done. And now it's, I look rested. I look, smoother. It's just totally different. It's still me, but better.
Correct. Yeah.
What's great about Dr. Lay is every 6 months when you come in, she reassesses. You have to customize every single time because your face has different needs.
Yes.
When I come in. That's what I love about you, is that you know exactly how to treat my face, which is nice. And to have that trust in someone's hand, I mean, there's nothing like it.
Well, thank you for your trust and confidence in what I do. And the result that you have achieved is wonderful. Yeah. How did Dr. Nile or I make you feel comfortable and confident during the actual injection process?
What's nice is also, your rooms, the atmosphere is very, very calming, and you know exactly what you are doing. And I think that's probably why I'm so calm to have it done, because I have complete trust in you to, you do what you do.
Thank you. Thank you.
You are so knowledgeable in what you do. Like, you explain it of how it's going to affect my face, not just cosmetically, but medically. What is it going to do to me medically? And that I appreciate so much.
Yeah, thank you.
You're so knowledgeable of what you do.
And thank you for your trust and confidence. And I enjoy, improving my patients' outer appearance and boost their confidence, their joy, their happiness. Do you think the switch to Daxxify was worth it?
Oh, absolutely. There is a Daxxify Glow. It exists. And for me to, like I've said before, for me to walk out on the weekends without makeup and not worry about it because my skin just has that glow, that says a lot. If you're, 53 and going out without makeup.